Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a faux step card using the By Your Side kit. Let's get started. Slice off the edges to open up the envelope. I want to use this strip of color at the bottom. It's a little raggedy here, so I'm going to need to slice that again. I'm going to be using this flap, and I want to keep it as large as I can to get all the edges straight. So when all is said and done, it measures 5 1/8 inches by 1 7/8 inches. And this bit I want to measure 4 inches, and save that, and 3 inches this way. I have a strip of Cajun Craze cardstock that measures 2 inches by 8.5 inches. And I'm going to score it at 5.5 inches. I have a strip of petal pink cardstock that measures 1 inch by 4 inch. I have a piece of basic white that measures 3 inches by 4 inches. I have a scrap of petal pink, and I have another piece of Cajun Craze that measures 4 1/4 by 9 inches. And I'm going to score it at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, and 5 3/4. And then fold on the score lines. I'm using 3 ink colors: Calypso Coral, Pretty Peacock, and Cajun Craze. And I'm using the sentiment, "Here's to a true friend," to make my own pattern paper. Remember to clean the stamp in between colors. Now I have the paw print image, and I'm using petal pink stamped off once. I want there to be something there, but not take away from the words. I'm using petal pink again to stamp the bone image randomly on the strip of petal pink cardstock for a bit of tone on tone. Now to assemble. This is going to be glued here with the bottom aligning. I'm using the 2-inch circle punch to cut out the circle with the petal pink scrap. And this cute little guy is going to go down here. I'm placing dimensionals on the back of his head and glue where his feet go. This will give him more dimension that he'll be popping off the cardstock. And this piece that's from the kit, I'm going to pop out the hearts. And there you have it, a faux step card. It folds flat to fit in the envelope. and room for your message here. Find written instructions and measurements over on my blog at. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!